So why be in the storage business? Well, in general, it is the highest margin product in the current cloud compute landscape. You can see the second tier being CPUs. CPUs tend to have a shorter life cycle. They tend to get refreshed on a 3-year life cycle. If you look at GPUs, because Jensen Huang has his 1-year product life cycle dream in motion, and Wall Street loves a good H300, H400 number set. GPUs actually tend to be about half the margin. And they also tend to be sold off halfway through their life cycle to second tier providers from the major hyperscalers. Whereas storage tends to stay in place, it's lower cost to operate. The storage industry is a near, like I said, we'll call it 30-year-old industry on the spinning disk life cycle, meaning there have been major advancements in those 30 years to lower the cost, lower the power consumption, and increase density. It's one of the most mature pieces of infrastructure you'll ever see in a data center. Now, on the second line there, you'll see where the industry actually puts its padding on the storage, which is the egress fees. And that model comes from an old telecom model, which is dating back 100 years. It's a tried and true business model. It works very well. I don't see it going away because it's easy to meter and they're somewhat addicted to it. Now, Filecoin has converged and tried to solve some of that problem with some of our providers offering free egress, which we'll talk about here. But I do want to highlight, and we call it Sutton's Law, if anybody's familiar with this. Why would you get into this business? Willie Sutton was a bank robber in the 1930s. When he was asked, why do you rob banks? He replied, because that's where the money is. And so you see, we have a $200 million or $200 billion TAM globally because there's a lot of money in the storage business.